Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to North Battleford, Saskatchewan, a vibrant city that serves as a gateway to the beautiful landscapes of the Canadian prairies. Situated along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River, North Battleford is located approximately 140 kilometers northwest of Saskatoon. The city is known for its stunning natural scenery, with the river providing a picturesque backdrop and numerous opportunities for outdoor activities. The area was originally inhabited by Indigenous peoples who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The name Battleford comes from the historic Battle River, which was a significant meeting point for Indigenous tribes. The prefix North was added to distinguish it from the town of Battleford, which is located further south. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway in the late 19th century played a crucial role in the development of North Battleford. The railway brought settlers and businesses to the area, leading to rapid growth and establishing the city as an important agricultural and commercial center. Today, North Battleford continues to thrive as a hub for agriculture, with a strong focus on farming, livestock, and related industries. In summary, North Battleford, Saskatchewan, is a city that combines the charm of small town living with the conveniences of a larger urban center. Thank you for joining us on this tour of North Battleford, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!